Hi everybody, this is Michelle Vassallo from Rhythm Massage Development and Education, and what I'm going to be continuing today is my series entitled Be the Best Massage Therapist or Body Worker That You Can Be. This little series is a number of tips and tricks that I've learned over the 17 years that I've been practicing as a massage therapist, and things that have come up in the classroom that I talk about all the time with students who come and do courses with me. So my number 3 tip in the Be the Best Therapist series is for something very simple but often overlooked. And for many years I was the massage clinic supervisor at both Victoria University and RMIT University, both in Melbourne, Australia. And as part of my clinic supervisor role, one of the things that I had to take care of was to make sure that the students who had been treating in clinic had kept great, thorough notes about the client that they were working on. So the type of chat that they'd had, the tests that they'd used, the massage techniques that they'd used, the retesting results, and what they thought that would be useful for future treatments. So when students are doing this in their remedial diplomas, most of them are keeping really good notes, and if they're not, they've got someone like me to oversee them and point them in the right direction. For example, even using things like clinical abbreviations comes in really handy when you're writing up notes at the end of a client visit. And one of the things that gets overlooked when students graduate is that they start keeping shocking client notes. So there's not enough information on those notes. If anything happens, say somebody comes forward and they want to litigate against a therapist, or they've got a question about their treatment, or they're unhappy with an aspect of it, if the client doesn't get satisfaction, often what that means is that it can jeopardize you as a massage therapist. And part of that information sharing is keeping good client notes. So this is a very simple thing, but it's a top sort of 10, be the best therapist you can be. Take thorough notes, use clinical abbreviations, make sure all the massage techniques that you used were in there, do your orthopedic testing beforehand, and then retest afterwards and record the results. Get the client to give you as much information as they can about their condition, and make sure that you're really listening to what they're saying, and take those notes and put them down as soon as you finish working with the client. Don't leave it till the end of the day, because by the end of the day, after 6 or 7 clients, the memory's starting to fail because you're tired and you've had a number of other clients that you've worked on in the meantime. So make a point of keeping excellent and thorough client notes, so that if at any time in the future, for any reason, you can be called upon to give an account of what actually happened in the massage room that day. And it gives you also a benchmark for recording how the treatments that you're doing on your clients are going. You know, there's that old saying, if you haven't got any results by the 3rd treatment, refer them on. Well, keeping good client notes gives you that information, and it also helps the client to visually have a cue to chart their progress if they've been making progress with you. So keeping good client notes is a very simple but very, very important aspect to being the best therapist that you can be. And as a little end to this clip, if you haven't already jumped over to my website, rhythmmassage.com.au, jump over and have a look. Enroll yourself by putting your email and creating a password for yourself, and then you will be able to receive all of the monthly newsletters that go out. And there are some things on those newsletters that you won't want to miss, like special discounts for classroom or online experiences, and bits and pieces of information that doesn't go up onto the Facebook page. So it's over and out from me. That's my number 3 tip. Keep excellent client notes, because it covers you, it covers the clients, and you'll never know when you need those. And they're great information for further treatment. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day. Take care out there, enjoy what you do, and I'll see you with my number 4 top tip really soon. It's over and out from me. Bye.